guys, welcome to another brand new video on the light bag collection. So we will be doing a new bag today, so without no further ado, we should start the bag now. Let me just say hi to you guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for those who have subscribed. Make sure to also like this new video, leave a comment on what you think, and you can also share with your friends. So by the way, this is the bag we'll be doing. I have it here and the illustration, so let's start right away and we shall see you as we proceed. So this is it, guys, as I was saying, the white one and the ash one. So let's go to the illustration and the measurements. How we make this. These are the two bags, as you can see. So this is the video we'll be posting for this week. I hope you guys enjoy it, and when you see this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment on what you think, and let's proceed to rest of the making. So welcome back, guys. This is the bag I say we'll be making today. As you can see, the bag is very beautiful. I made this a few days ago. So and I have some of the accessories I'll be leasing down here. I will need 2 rings which will go in place of the handle. Then I will be needing this magnetic snap, this particular one here. It has a head. I will use this magnetic snap. I will be needing it as well. So then you need your eyelets. This you get 4 because this is where the ring will go through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the magnetic ring will go inside of the bag. And we have our material on the table already. This is the material. So without no further ado, let's proceed and start cutting. And this is my pattern I've drive. So since I've been making the bag, I am making a lot of this. So and I want it to be identical. So I decide to make a pattern for part of the angle that are not easy to make. So this is the pattern, as you can see. So let's proceed to making of it. So I should explain a little bit before we start. So this is the illustration here. As you can see, I have the illustration here. As you can see, if you want to make this bag, actually what you cut first is 10 by 6.5. The height is 6.5. Then by 10 you cut 2 of that, which is the front and back. Then the under you will measure the under is going to be 4.5 by 10 by 10, because you see the side here is showing 10, which is the side here is showing 4.5. So the bottom will be 4.5 by 10. So that's that. Then the side will be 4.5 by 2.5, because the top is going to be small, just as you are seeing on the pattern here. So I think that is just what we'll make. Then apart from that, the inside, which the magnetic snap is going to be attached to, which is this particular place here. You see, as you can see, this is placed from the inside, and so that's the same thing I just finished showing you in this place. Focus. So it's going to be 2 by 21 centimeter. So I'm not just using imperial here, I'm using with metrics as well, which is 2 inch by 21 centimeter. So other than that, I don't think there's anything we'll cut again, except a little bit strap where the magnetic snap is going to be attached to. You just decide how you want the bag to be open, then you do that. Then the handle as well. This is the handle. As you can see, the handle is 1.5. This is 1.5 by 22.5. Then we have the one that will be sewn on top, which is 1.5 by 18.5, which is something like this. So I might just start sewing without explaining again. That's why I'm taking my time to explain now. You see, this is the small one that will be on top, which is the 1.5 by 18.5. Then the larger one, which is under, which is 1.5 by 22.5. is the one we fold that we go through the inside. As you can see, focus, it go through the inside and we sew it on top. So that is it. And this is the strap. You have to make pattern for it, because as you see, here is much smaller than the top, here is much wider, just like how it is on the pattern, just like this. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. So without no further ado, let's start cutting this and making the sewing. So, and I'll see you at the end of the video after I finish making everything. So this is it, guys. I've put the pattern on the material and I've started cutting it out. So this is the last one I'm cutting out. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment on what you think, or if you have done this design before, if you see there's any mistake, let me know, or if there's anything you want me to do or any amendments, you can let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to share this video with your friends as well. Remember, let me remind you again, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. So here we have it. So this is my two side that is going to go to side of the bag. This is going to be sewed to the inside where the snap is going to be attached to, and this little one you are seeing here is for my magnetic snap. Then this is, I have my front and my back panel as there here. So this is the bottom. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. This is the bottom. Then this is the strap. This is the one that will be at the inside. This is the one that will be at the outside, at the top, which here will be folded and sew like this. Then the ring will come in between this place. So I think that is that for this video, guys. Please, as I've said, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, share with your friends on what you think, and expect the next video, which is the assembling of the bag. I think it may be the second day when I uploaded this, or maybe the third day. So I'll try as much as possible to upload this before the weekend so that we can continue whatever we are doing. So I'm about to make a line here now, and in the next video I will let you understand, or you see what the line will be for. So you come to the last inch, you measure 1 inch. This is 1 inch. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. This is 1 inch. You strike it this way. I hope my edge is not covering you. This is 1 inch, and in between, then you come to the other edge as well. You measure 1 inch. Measure 1 inch. Note, you should do the strike where it's going to be inside, because I'm going to use this yellow part for the outside of the bag, while this ash, or what should I call it, part is going to be inside of the bag. That's why you see I'm marking towards the back. And one thing I'm supposed to say at the beginning of this video is this material I'm using is synthetic leather. It's a synthetic leather and is a double face leather. So in the next video, which is the sewing, you see I will explain what I'm using this for. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please, we'll see you in the next one, and peace out.